Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add black bars in CapCut PC. If you're new to CapCut PC and you don't know how to add black bars to your videos to make them more cinematic, I'm going to show you an easy hack to do it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open the CapCut app. Now click on Create Project to create a new project. Now click on Import to import any videos or photos for your project. Click on Import button. Now we can drag this to our timeline to edit this video. Now here, to add the black bars, what you can do is click on stock material and here search for black, and you'll see variety of black screen and black videos. Click on one of them to add it to your timeline. You can also increase or decrease the duration of the black screen like this. At first, we'll take it on the top layer like this and increase the duration to match our video. Now we can scale it down so that we can handle it. Now just like this, take it to a corner, increase the size of the black screen like this and add it to your video just like this. Again, copy this and paste it. And similarly, we'll drag it to the bottom like this. Now if we play our video, it'll look like this. And just like this, we can add black bars in CapCut PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.